As a man, it is important to maintain a strong skincare routine. In order to keep your skin looking healthy and vibrant, you must have the right product. Many men are now realizing the importance of using eye cream to help reduce the sign of aging and fatigue. In this video, I will be discussing the 7 best eye cream for men and why it is so important to maintain a good eye care routine. I will be looking at the different ingredients that are beneficial for men's skin, as well as how to find the right eye cream for your skin type. So, what are you waiting for? Start shopping. Number 7. Retinol Men's Eye Cream. Retinol Men's Eye Cream is the perfect eye treatment for men, making it easier than ever to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and minimize the visible sign of aging. Formulated with an exclusive blend of retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamins, this eye cream boosts hydration and helps reduce the appearance of under eye area, wrinkle, and fine lines. With a regular use, the skin will look brighter, more energized, and more youthful. This eye cream is free of parabens and other harsh chemicals, making it a safe and effective choice for men who want to improve the appearance of their skin. It is a great addition to any man's skincare routine and is sure to provide excellent result. Number 6. BIOSSANCE Squalane Plus Marine Algae Eye Cream. BIOSSANCE Squalane Plus Marine Algae Eye Cream is an effective, luxurious eye cream that is suitable for all skin types. Its lightweight texture is easily absorbed, making it great for layering with other products. The combination of squalane and algae provides intense hydration and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps protect the delicate area around the eyes from environmental damage. The product contains natural ingredients and is cruelty-free, vegan, and safe for sensitive skin. Overall, BIOSSANCE Squalane Plus Marine Algae Eye Cream is a great choice for those looking for a luxurious, effective, and safe eye cream. Number 5. Brickell Men's Restoring Eye Cream for Men. Brickell Men's Restoring Eye Cream for Men is a natural and organic anti-aging eye balm designed to reduce puffiness, wrinkles, dark circles, crow's feet, and under eye bags. This product is unscented and comes in a 0.5-ounce container, making it easy to carry around in a pocket or purse. After using it for a few weeks, I noticed a significant reduction in the puffiness and wrinkles around my husband's eyes. The cream is very lightweight and his skin felt moisturized and soft after each application. It also works to reduce dark circles and crow's feet, and I hardly notice those pesky under eye bags anymore. Overall, I am very pleased with the results and would definitely recommend this product to anyone looking for a natural, organic, and effective eye cream. Number 4. Dermalogica Stress Positive Eye Lift Eye Cream. Dermalogica Stress Positive Eye Lift Eye Cream is an effective eye cream that helps reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. It is enriched with hyaluronic acid, which works to plump up the delicate skin under the eyes. The cream is quickly absorbed and leaves no greasy residue. It leaves the under eye area feeling hydrated, soft, and looking more refreshed. Consumers have reported that the product is effective in reducing the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. They also commented on the pleasant light citrus scent. Overall, the Dermalogica Stress Positive Eye Lift Eye Cream is an excellent product for those looking for an effective eye cream that hydrates and refreshes the under eye area. Number 3. ELEMIS Time Defense Eye Reviver. The ELEMIS Time Defense Eye Reviver is an excellent product for anyone looking to reduce the sign of aging around the delicate eye area. It is formulated with an innovative combination of plant stem cells, antioxidants, and peptides that work together to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles. The lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly and is suitable for all skin types. Furthermore, its eye-reviving complex of red and brown algae helps to energize, brighten, and lift the eye area. Overall, I highly recommend this product to anyone looking to reduce the signs of aging around their eyes. Number 2. StriVectin Anti-Wrinkle Intensive Eye Cream. StriVectin Anti-Wrinkle Intensive Eye Cream Concentrate for Wrinkles Plus is an excellent product for anyone looking to target crow's feet, firmness, puffiness, and dark circles. The product is easy to use and produces visible results within a week. Additionally, the product is dermatologist tested and is safe for all skin types, making it a great choice for for anyone. The cream is non-comedogenic and is free from parabens, fragrance, and dyes, so it won't irritate the delicate skin around the eyes. Overall, this product is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a potent eye cream to reduce wrinkles, firmness, and puffiness, as well as reduce dark circles. Number 1. Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. Belif's Moisturizing Eye Balm Gentle Eye Cream is a must-have for anyone looking to boost their skin's elasticity, soothe and hydrate the delicate skin around their eyes, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and puffiness for dark circles. This eye cream is formulated with a blend of natural herbs and extracts such as chamomile, rosemary, and hops that work together to nourish, moisturize, and protect your skin. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which helps to lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling plump and hydrated. Furthermore, this eye cream is free of synthetic fragrances, dyes, and parabens, making it safe and gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. With regular use, your eyes will look brighter, more refreshed, and youthful.